In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add points on Microsoft Forms. Whether you're creating quizzes, surveys, or any form of assessment, knowing how to add points can be incredibly beneficial. This feature lets you easily grade or score responses, making it perfect for educators and businesses alike. So, let's dive in and learn how to use this useful feature. First things first, you'll want to start by navigating to Microsoft Forms. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for Microsoft Forms through your search engine. Once the page is loaded, you'll be greeted with the option to sign in. Now, this is where your Microsoft account comes into play. You'll need this to access and create forms. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Go ahead and type that in. Make sure you enter your email correctly to avoid any access issues. Once you're done, click on Next to move to the next step. Next, you'll be asked to enter the password for your Microsoft account. This is an important step for security reasons, ensuring that you, and only you, have access to your account. After entering your password, click Next once more. If your credentials are correct, you'll immediately be granted access to your Microsoft Forms dashboard. It's a pretty straightforward process, but if you encounter any issues signing in, consider resetting your password or checking your internet connection. Upon accessing your Forms dashboard, this is where the magic happens. Here you'll see all the forms you've created, and you can also start a new one. If you're focusing on adding points to an existing form, simply click on it to open up the editing mode. Once your form is open, look for the questions you wish to add points to. To add points to a question, click directly on the question you want to edit. You'll notice that various editing options appear, but for our purpose, look specifically for the points option. It's usually located somewhere at the bottom or adjacent to the question text. Clicking on it will allow you to assign a specific point value to that question. This feature is particularly beneficial for quizzes or tests, where each question carries a certain weight. You can assign different points to different questions based on their difficulty level or importance. For instance, a more challenging question might be worth more points than a simpler one. It's all up to how you want to structure your assessment. After you've selected points, a small box or field should appear where you can input the number of points you want to assign to that question. You can type in any number depending on how many points that question is worth. After entering the desired points, make sure to save your changes. Microsoft Forms should automatically save your input, but it's always good to double check. Repeat this process for each question you want to assign points to. The flexibility of Microsoft Forms allows you to customize the point system to suit your assessment needs perfectly. Whether it's a quiz, a formative assessment, or a survey that requires scoring, adjusting the points per question can be done with just a few clicks. Remember, effectively using the points feature can make your assessments more meaningful and nuanced. It allows for a clearer evaluation of responses based on the scoring criteria you set. Plus, it can also provide immediate feedback to participants if you enable automatic grading, which is another fantastic feature of Microsoft Forms. And there you have it. Adding points to questions in Microsoft Forms is as simple as that. Whether you're gearing up for a new school year, creating an employee survey, or just looking to make interactive and fun quizzes, these steps will help you utilize Microsoft Forms to its full potential. By customizing the points for each question, you can create more engaging and nuanced assessments. So go ahead, give it a try and see how it transforms your forms. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different types of questions and point values to find what works best for your specific needs. Happy form making!